Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about transactions and data consistency, insertions, deletions, or updates, atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. Let's enjoy. Transactions in a database represent a sequence of operations, such as insertions, deletions, or updates, that are treated as a single logical unit of work. The concept of transactions ensures data consistency and integrity in a database system, even in the presence of failures or concurrent access by multiple users. Here's how transactions work and how they contribute to data consistency. 1. Atomicity. Transactions are atomic, meaning they are treated as indivisible units of work. All operations within a transaction are either completed successfully and committed to the database, or if any operation fails, the entire transaction is rolled back, and the database is restored to its original state. This ensures that changes made by incomplete transactions do not persist in the database. 2. Consistency. Transactions preserve the consistency of the database by enforcing data integrity constraints and preserving invariants defined by the database schema. Before committing a transaction, the database system ensures that all data modifications adhere to the defined rules and constraints. If any modification violates these constraints, the entire transaction is aborted, preserving the consistency of the database. Isolation. Transactions are executed in isolation from each other, meaning the intermediate state of one transaction is not visible to other concurrent transactions until it is committed. This isolation prevents interference between transactions and ensures that each transaction sees a consistent snapshot of the database, even in a concurrent environment. Durability. Once a transaction is committed, its changes become durable and persistently stored in the database, even in the event of system failures or crashes. The database system ensures that committed transactions are durable by writing the changes to stable storage, such as disk, and maintaining transaction logs for recovery purposes. By adhering to the principles of atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability, ACID, transactions provide a robust mechanism for ensuring data consistency and integrity in database systems. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.